Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Starbucks hot chocolate. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Make sure you also have a saucepan, a whisk, and your favorite mug ready to go. This simple guide will help you create a delicious, comforting drink right at home. Now, let's create the perfect base for your hot chocolate. In your saucepan, combine the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder with the 2 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk these dry ingredients together briefly. Then, slowly pour in 1 cup of your chosen milk, continuing to whisk until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly to ensure even heating. Next, it's time to infuse your hot chocolate with delightful flavors. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which adds a lovely aromatic depth. Then, pour in 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup to truly enhance that rich, chocolatey taste we all love. Continue to whisk the mixture gently over the medium heat until it is steaming hot and thoroughly combined, but do not let it boil. Finally, your delicious homemade hot chocolate is ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the steaming beverage into your favorite mug. For that classic Starbucks touch, top it generously with whipped cream and a beautiful drizzle of extra chocolate syrup. You can also personalize your drink with a sprinkle of cinnamon, some mini marshmallows, or even a dash of peppermint extract for a festive twist. Enjoy your cozy creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.